hey baby, good morning. How's your sleep? No, that's good. I'm glad you slept well. How's your how's your stomach doing? It's doing good. Mm. In your head. Is your head feeling okay? That's good, I'm glad. I'm glad your head's feeling okay. You were feeling really, really sick. You had this pounding headache, and I'm glad you feel a lot better, princess. No, can I get you anything? Okay, we can cuddle, okay? Come here. Come on, let's cuddle. Come on close. I want to keep you really, really warm. There we go. Still can't believe I still can't believe that there's gonna be 3 of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know it's wild. I mean, I never thought I would ever get here. I never thought I would even be a father soon. I know it's crazy, but it's always been a dream of mine. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I know. It's my first time too. The baby's gonna be fine. We'll learn. We'll learn together as we grow. I know. The baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But you don't have to worry, sweetheart. I'll take care of you. And I'll take care of the baby. I'll be there every step of the way. Let me feel your belly. Skin's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby kicking a little bit. Yeah, it's kicking a little bit. Wow. I know, I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. It's crazy. Sweetie, don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You're gonna be a really, really good mother, okay? Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. I know you're gonna be a good mother. Of course, because you have such a caring heart. You're so nurturing in so many ways. You're gonna be the perfect mother. You are. Not only that, you're gonna be a hot MILF, so that's kinda cool, right? So don't worry, sweetheart. You're just gonna be perfect and great, because that's just who you are. I mean, of course I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna be a good father, okay? I'm gonna love her child and I'm gonna love you. I mean, you guys are my everything. I'm gonna raise her kid the best that I can. I'm gonna take care of the baby and I'm gonna take care of you. Okay? Because you guys are my baby. And you guys are really my everything. I remember when I first saw you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. You were amazing. And I had to come up and talk to you, so I did. I was so nervous. I was like really, really nervous. It was so nerve-wracking. But I can't believe you said yes when I asked you for your number. That was really, really shocking to me. I was really shocked. And when we went on that first date, I knew you were the one. You were so caring, you were so loving. Everything about you was amazing, and it still is. I really did know that you were the one. I knew it. I felt it. And I still remember your dress, what you wore. I still remember your perfume. I never felt love like that before, and it was love at first sight. It was love really quick. But here we are now. Look at us. You're gonna have a family soon. This has been the most amazing journey of my life. No, the baby's kicking kinda hard right now. Are you okay? Yeah, that was a shocker. I felt it. Sweetie, let me grab you that hot water bottle heat pad thing for your stomach. Yeah, it's gonna make you feel better, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. Got you that heated water bottle for your belly. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better, sweetie? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and the baby. Here, let me cuddle. Let me cuddle with you. Come here close. Just like that. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. You do. Your eyes are something really special. It's just that, your eyes, they sparkle. Mm. Especially when you talk about something you love. I mean, it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it much. I'm serious, sweetie. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty that, I don't know, I can't help noticing. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really, really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do draw me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. But me and you. And it makes me so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, and I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice, combined with the way your lips move, it just mesmerizes me. And it makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness. And it makes it so comforting to be close to you. I mean, I love everything about you. And your lips are just a part of that. And your hair. You got the most beautiful hair in the world. You do. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears. Like that. Your hair is just so soft and beautiful. And the way that it shines. The way that it shines in the light. Just glows. And I love how my fingers feel when I run my fingers through your hair. It's just so silky and smooth. And sometimes when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. There's like a whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. And all this makes up your face.